Okay, so this is your Keefarosa Neutrogena pellets with some of our three-way scratch that we add into it. Hi guys, this is John here with Dusty Goat, and I want to talk to y'all about chicken feed today. I met a guy named Randy Keef and his wife Sandy Keef, and they have come up with a great way to feed your chickens.
Randy Keef.
Sandy Keef.
And tell us where you're from.
We're from Shelby County, Alabama, about 30 miles south of Birmingham. We have created this feed called Keefarosa Chicken laying feed. It's a multi-grain, 19% protein. It's got nine different grains. It's got seven different proteins, which I think makes the difference. The one thing I'm proud of is no byproducts, no ground feathers, beaks, legs, and that such, no clay or rock. There's 19 individual ingredients, 19 ingredients in it, two counting some oil that's in it, two different kind of oils.
Okay, so both of y'all came up with this feed by yourself. This is y'all's product. Y'all have put it together, and you've been selling it by the tonnage, from what I understand, right? Okay.
We started in the backyard 17 months ago, and we was doing 2 tons a week. 17 months later, we had to have it start being milled at the mill, and we're selling up to 50 tons a month.
Okay. So what we're doing is Dusty Goat's going to sponsor Mr. and Miss Keef with Keefarosa Feed, and we're going to try to get them down in Northwest Florida area, and we're going to help them and do whatever we can. Well, Mr. Keef, nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
Miss Sandy, nice to meet you, and thank you for your time. It's totally made out of pure materials. There's no fillers, there's no additives, there's no anything. It's straight from the field to the bag to your chickens. Okay, it's Keef multigrain, crude protein 19%, crude fat 3%, fiber 11%. And there is the bag of feed. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show everybody what it looks like. Okay, so this is your Keefarosa. You can tell the difference in the two. Okay, this is what we normally feed our chickens with a little bit of scratch mixed in. This is Neutrogena pellets with some of our three-way scratch that we add into it. This is pelletized, and it is good for your chickens. We haven't had a problem with it, but it does have fillers and additives and things of that nature. So I was told by Randy to do a taste test and put both before the chickens and see which they like best. So let's go do that. We're out here at the chicken coop, and we're going to lay a line of the regular feed, so you can hopefully tell the difference in the way the feed looks. That's the Keefarosa. This is the regular feed with scratch. And we're going to let the chickens out and see which ones they go to first. on, girls and boys. I think that right there is pretty obvious.